Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the basics so login attempts don't fail for avoidable reasons. First, update the Roblox app. Outdated clients often reject authentication. Next, set your device time and date to automatic mismatch certificates block secure logins. Finally, switch to a reliable network. If Wi-Fi is flaky, try cellular. Once done, force close Roblox and reopen it so the app restarts with fresh settings and the updated credentials flow. Now dive into the middle steps that actually resolve many login errors. You should clear app cache or uninstall and reinstall Roblox to remove corrupted session tokens. This forces a clean authentication. Then reset network settings or toggle airplane mode to get a fresh IP lease and DNS. That often fixes blocked connections. Make sure you can log in on a secondary device or the web so you know credentials and two-step verification aren't the culprits. To finish, perform final checks and a key troubleshooting tip. Try logging in with cellular if Wi-Fi fails, and vice versa so you isolate network issues. Confirm Roblox servers are up by asking friends or their social posts. Server outages prevent any login. If you still can't enter, reset your password to drop stale sessions, and make sure VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers are off because they interfere with authentication. If problems persist, wait 15-30 minutes and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.